going?
Let
me see.
It's the red thing is flashing. Is it recording? Yeah. It's recording.
Diva. Diva. Your little toesie's pinched, Diva. Should really have her lower to the ground. Under my bed. Yeah, bring it over here. I don't want to drop her. Thank you, piece. She's got a hold of my skin. Little toesies, you're a pinchy, Diva. She doesn't want to go anywhere. She's supposed to sit in my hand. Come here, Diva. My hands are warm. I just got out of the tub. Her claws really stick.
Does it hurt?
No. It just pinches a smidge. So they climb. Diva. There's Diva. It's okay if your hands shake. I'll just edit it on YouTube. Little peeps. Hey.
You're going to post it on YouTube?
Yeah. Don't web me, or don't poop on me. Not that it really matters, as long as you don't bite me. You're too sweet for that. She won't bite me. My hands are shaking. Diva. Diva. You going, Diva girl?
We'll post it on your Facebook. Cool.
She's gonna web me. Diva, I'm not something you can web, goofy girl. Diva, you going anywhere any day soon?
How long do you want me to let it go? It's already almost 4 minutes and 40 seconds.
Okay. Still got some time left. I'm gonna make it too long. I won't be able to get it off my camera.
You just hit that button right here.
Mm-hmm. Pretty cool.
20 seconds.